Huge demand in the market for prompt engineering. So basically, what does prompt engineering do? So it is used for crafting various prompts in order to get the desired output from the language models. See, nowadays we have been seeing tons of AI images generating each and every single day. Let's say, for example, take an image of a cricketer who you would like to see him as an actor or a warrior. Then you need to give a custom prompt in order to generate the desired output. So the process that is running behind the prompt is taught in prompt engineering. So prompt engineering trains the data sets in order to get the accurate and relevant responses. So if you are interested in learning what does prompt engineering do, then OpenAI has officially released a course called as ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. So they teaches us from starting of prompt engineering to what are the data sets they have been training and how the prompt acts according to our needs. So do check out the course link in the description.